Hello everyone, I am making this small video to explain how to watch live lectures. First thing you're supposed to do is go to Play Store. You can see on the screen, go to Play Store and search for Audit Guru app. So you'll find Audit Guru app, install it, correct? After installing it, you are supposed to get registered. Use your mobile number which you have given at the time of registering for this particular course. Using the same mobile number is important because we have given access to that particular mobile number in our backend. So please use the same mobile number which you have given for registration. Use that, you will get an OTP and get registered. Normally you get OTP within a minute. Sometimes you may face a problem to get registered. Sometimes, rarely it happens that you face problem in getting registered. So don't worry. You can try another device or you can try after some time. First few lectures, we plan to give you an open unsecured YouTube link also. So if any problem arises, don't worry about that. Our admin team will help you, and for first few days we are going to have our lectures. We will be providing you live YouTube link also, correct? So once you use your mobile number, you will get OTP, get registered. Then you go to open the app. Now once you open the app, look at the bottom of the app. You will see an icon named batches. So click on that particular icon. If you see, you'll get the batches as the, see on the in the bottom, second number icon is batches. So click on that. Once you click on that, you will see 002 CA Final Audit Live Batch English. So click on that. Once you click on that, then you are supposed to go to the, see, once you go in the batch, you will see different tabs. Overview, attendance, assignment, announcement, test. In that, you will see tab videos. On the right side, if you scroll little bit, you will find the tab videos. Go to the videos tab. Correct? Once you go to the videos tab, right now it is blank. 7 o'clock when we start lecture, you will find a video here. Simply click on that. And the live video class will start. I will suggest get a stand, arrange a stand for your mobile phone or create a stand by yourself by using anything. And keep it at a good height so you can comfortably watch lectures on the mobile phone. You can use speakers or you can use headphones. Ensure a silent atmosphere, surrounding so that you can completely focus. You can completely focus on the batch itself. So you'll be able to watch comfortably lectures clearly with a good quality video and audio on the app itself. Correct? Now, so videos will be played on that, and as I said, I will suggest that to have a good platform where you can keep mobile comfortably. Don't just hold mobile in your hand. It will be difficult for you if you are planning for 2 hours. So you should have a good place where you can keep mobile and see the lectures comfortably. Then after, so this is how you will be viewing live class. Now for notes and chatting, you have to install one more app. This app is a chatting app, but a very convenient one. And we can very easily chat during the live class. I can share notes with you. I can share audios with you on this particular app. Search for Spaces. Spaces. SPACS. CES. Spaces. Or better, search for InTouch Spaces. InTouch Spaces. See, you will see this particular icon, InTouch Spaces. Install this particular app. This particular app is like this particular app is like our WhatsApp app or Telegram app, but it's, as I said, it's very convenient to upload notes, audios, everything here. So install this particular Spaces app, correct? Now, in description of this particular video, I'll be sharing link with the help of which you can join group in this particular Spaces app. Just like we have groups in WhatsApp and Telegram, there are groups here also, but they don't call it groups, they call it spaces, correct? So it doesn't matter they call groups or spaces. So the link to get connected on this particular group, okay, is given in the description. Watch description carefully. Now, apart from that, you can download an app called Xodo, Xodo. It's a very good editor, PDF editor. I'll be sharing PDF files with you, e-files with you, correct? And for those who have registered for the physical copies also, we'll be sending physical copies also in next few days. So you are supposed to download Audit Guru app, where you are going to see live lectures, number one. Second, you are supposed to download Spaces, which will be used for chatting, and I'll be giving you link. You can see this particular app on laptop also. So I'll be sharing that link in the description again. In the description, you will find a link which you can use to open this app on laptop, on desktop, correct? So you are supposed to get registered on Spaces, download that app also, and be careful, correct? We are supposed to have InTouch Spaces. InTouch Spaces, I will share the link of the app also in the description. And third, Xodo app. Ideally, to study comfortably, you, if possible, you should have two devices. So on mobile device, you are viewing the lectures, you are seeing online lectures live, and for chatting and for notes, you have a laptop, or some other device, maybe a tablet or something like that, where you can chat also, and at the same time read notes also, and you can simply take a snapshot, photograph, and ask doubt as we discuss doubts, correct? And you can open this messaging app on mobile phone also and on desktop also. Apart from this, if you face any problem, you can put message, you can take my number, you can put a telegram on my number 9096 000033 if you face any particular problem. And as I said, for first few lectures, correct, we will be providing lectures on YouTube link, or we will be giving you YouTube link also. Okay, so I hope you understood these particular points. If there's any problem, you can talk to our admin, and in live class you have any problem, you can put a message to me on Telegram. And please see description carefully. If anything is left, I will explain that in description of this particular video.